Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you a live trade that we're in right now, and it was on EURUSD. This was the trade. Break a structure, imbalance, it's coming back to the imbalance zone and up. And how did we take this? A lot of people are waiting for this zone to be tapped in. Why? Because there's imbalance. There's imbalance under this low. A lot of people waits for the imbalance to be filled, and that's correct. But when I see imbalance stuff like this on 30 minutes or 1 hour, I always go for the trade. And this is a little trick that we have been using on the G-line for a long time now. And we do this on entries and everything, and zones, PYs, everything. So as you can see here, we have a up move. We didn't broke the high, but as you can see, the imbalance is down here. So when we're coming up here, we've already cleared the imbalance. We're coming down. We're not taking the trade from this place because we need to break this high. But what you need to understand now is that we fill the imbalance. We're coming up, maybe tapping into some zones here, imbalance on lower time frames. I don't care because I'm not looking at it. But when we're breaking the second high again, because there's no point to break this high for me if we want to go down, because we should go down from this zone here. So this is just fake moves. So when we have our bias, so this is our low, this is our high. This high broke this high because this high is here, because the imbalance is here, down here. I mean, imbalance down here. We couldn't break this high. We're coming down, coming up again, breaks this high. There's no point to break this high if we do not want to go more up. So we're in now in a inside structure zone, or two lines inside structure. Where's our imbalance? Here is our imbalance. We tapped in. We're not in here because it's 8 o'clock. We're in here. It's 1 p.m. We're going down to the 1 minute. What do we see? We see a grab of everything, and then we see an up move. And it's the same thing here. The imbalance is here. This was the imbalance. We have imbalance here. It tapped in. It's tapped in. Every imbalance is in this move. This was the last imbalance zone here. This was the last imbalance zone for short. So we tapped in for short. We're going down, but why we're not looking for short is because our bias is long for the days. We're not even considering to short this EURUSD. So when it filled in the last imbalance zone, this whole move is mitigated. So if price wants to go down, in my mind, we should go down from this POI, or this entry zone. So this was a trade from a lot of people, I believe, but we're not taking it because we're looking for buys. This was a trade, and this is the zone that's holding the short. So if price breaks this, we should go long for a little bit to some zones, upper zones, 1 hour zones or something. And here was the entry. Why was here the entry? Because we broke the high. This was the move that broke this high, so we want to take the trade from the breakout imbalance zone. We're not taking it from down here, because a lot of times when price moves this powerful upwards, it usually doesn't come down to zones like this. That's why we're not trading from those zones. We're trading from the zones where the price are breaking. We took the trade. It's coming up, broke the structure, coming down, filling in the imbalance zone. It broke the high. We took partials. We're moving up our stop loss, because there's no point to have our stop loss down here when the imbalance move is filled. So either now it goes to our stop loss or it hits our TP. And when you're starting to think like this with imbalance, you can start to see consolidations is much better, and you're not getting faked out a lot, because we know this high has broke those two highs, so we're not looking for sells, and this is the same thing on the 1 minute. This is inside structure. It's the same thing when we're taking entries. This is inside structure between those lines, so we're not even looking for sells here. We're looking for buys and only buys. And that's how we took the trade. Hopefully it gets to TP or stop loss. It doesn't matter. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.